Hey guys, here we'll be unboxing my Fortnite cards that I got. So, yeah, first is, this one. Alright, let's flip them over. Alright, first card, this one. Then this one. This one. So blurry. My God. Alright, so this one. This one. This one. This one. God, camera won't focus. Oh, I actually got a. Oh, I got a gun. Wow. All right. This skin. Okay, what is this? Oh, this is one of the pickaxes. Alright, this one. Alright, this one, another pickaxe. Lead swinger. It's really blurry. Leprechaun skin. Glider. Snow squall. Okay. This one. Oh, this one's pretty cool. Alright. So we got this one. This one. Oh, it's just pickaxes. Alright. Alright. Okay, that's boring. Alright. So this one, the Lox's skin. Another one, the exact same one. This one. Another one. I think I already got this one. This one. And this is the 4th time I got this one. Alright, next pack. Oh my God. Alright, so here's the first one. This 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 one. Oh look, I got a gun. Submachine gun. Alright. Yeah, alright. Oh, I got attack. Oh, it's the cactus skin. Oh, there's a clinger. Default? Oh no, it's a skin. Alright, oh, pickaxe. Tomato skin. Oh, got this one. And again. And again. Alright, again. Oh my, how many freaking lock skins am I gonna get? Alright, that one. How come most of these I already got? Oh my God, are you serious? Alright, well that's it.